My name is Rick Renner, and today again, I'm on my TV set in Moscow, and I want to show you something interesting. People all the time say, Rick, what are all the things on your TV set, and does everything on that set have significance to you? And the answer is yes, it's all here by design. It all reminds me of something important. For example, on our set, we have this bag. You say, well, it doesn't look very interesting. What is it? Oh, this bag is very interesting. It is filled with real coins from the Roman Empire. These are coins which were minted during the Imperial Age, during the Roman age, and they bear the images of Roman emperors, but two are very important to me, and here they are. One is a coin bearing the image of the Emperor Claudius. It was Claudius who kicked Aquila and Priscilla out of the city of Rome. He was a ruthless ruler, and he married a very evil woman. Her name was Agrippina. Agrippina's image is on this coin. And Agrippina had a son whose name was Nero. But there was a problem because her husband Claudius had another son that was the legitimate heir to the throne, but it was not the son of Agrippina. Agrippina wanted her son to be the next emperor, so Agrippina arranged the assassination of Claudius, who was her husband, and as soon as Claudius was out of the way, she promoted her son to become the emperor of the Roman Empire. And this coin pictures Nero on one side and his evil mother Agrippina on the other side. Now, why would I want these coins? Well, first of all, I purchased them more than 3 decades ago when they were not expensive. But the reason they were important to me is because I was studying the history of the New Testament. It's important to me that when I talk about Roman emperors, I know who I'm talking about. I want to even see them in my mind. Well, today we have photos or we have oil paintings, but back in those days, they didn't have photos, but they had coins. And when you look at the coins from that period, you can really see who we're discussing when we talk about Nero or any of the other evil Roman emperors. It's amazing that in 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 17, Peter, who was killed by Nero, wrote these words. He said, honor the king. He was talking about Emperor Nero when he said, honor the king. You could take it to mean honor Nero. That must have been very difficult to do, but they were living in a very difficult situation. Maybe you're living in a difficult situation. You can do it. You can be who God wants you to be in any situation, just like the early church really fulfilled their God-given role in a very dark first century world. But when I come in this studio and I see these coins, I don't just see ancient coins. I see the images of former church persecutors who came and they went. And in the same way, evil may be present today, but evil will not prevail. The church will prevail, and the gates of hell cannot prevail against the church. And that's why I have these Roman imperial coins in my TV studio.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.